Dear all, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install IDE software. IDE is nothing but Interactive Development Environment. First and the foremost, please do visit your comfortable search engine. Let me consider Google here. You can type Arduino. Okay, immediately after typing, you will be getting different options like Arduino Home. The website also available here. Please do click on this Arduino Home. So afterwards, you will be getting the web page like this. Here you can see different options like hardware, software, documentation, community, blog, about. So from this you need to opt software. So I have mentioned here. Thereafter you please click on that particular software and you will be getting two options like Arduino create and then downloads. Please do click on downloads. Immediately after clicking on downloads, you will be getting the options like this. This is the latest version of Arduino, that is Arduino IDE 1.8.13. So we have download options like Windows, Win 7 and newer, Windows zip file, Windows Win 8.1 or 10. Let me consider Windows 7 and newer. That is comfortable for my operating system. Okay. So I'll be clicking on Windows 7 and newer. So do click on Windows 7 and newer. Afterwards, you will be getting the options like this. Here we have options like just download, contribute and download. Okay, different options. There are different options. Now I would like to click on just download. Please to click on just download. Afterwards, we will be getting one file. So please do save this file in your drive. Okay, so please to click on save files. As you can observe, the file has been downloaded successfully. Your file downloading has been successful. Okay, it's available in your drive. You can find out the particular file in your drive. Alright. Now, please to click on that particular folder. Immediately after clicking on the folder, you will be getting the one options like Arduino setup, license agreement. Please do click on I agree. Okay. Afterwards, again you will be getting immediately after clicking on I agree, then I will be getting Arduino setup installation folder. So please to click on install. Here it's available. Okay, please to click on install. Afterwards you can observe the files are getting extracted. You have to wait until the extraction menu bar should reach to 100%. Now it's at 73%. You can observe. I have taken the screenshot. Now you can observe files are getting extracted. Afterwards, you will be getting one more options. Would you like to install this device software? And of course, you have to go for installation. So please to click on installation. Okay, install option is available here. Please to click on the install. Afterwards, you can observe one message that your Arduino setup completed. Okay, once this message is available or it is popped up, you can close this particular window. Now you can search your Arduino. Here icon will be available. Sometimes icon will be directly available on the desktop. Okay. So please do double click on that particular icon. So this is the icon for Arduino. Arduino IDE software. So please do click on Arduino IDE software icon. Immediately afterwards you can observe the IDE software is getting opened. Now you will be getting the basic structure of that particular software. This is the editor file. Here you can see there are two segments in the program. The first one is there are two components. There are two parts. One is void setup, another will be void loop. Here you have to type your program. So we have different options like fire, edit, then sketch, tools, help. Here you can you will be having the options like verify, upload. Clear? So in the last session I have explained how to operate IDE software. You can visit that. Here I tried to convince you how to download IDE software. Now it is successful. In this session, I have explained the detailed procedure for installation of IDE software. Finally, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are having any queries, you can put up in the comment box.